Hey everyone, having trouble with your Aldi mobile data not rolling over? You're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show you why it happens and how to fix it fast. Let's get your data back on track. Ensure your plan has data rollover option available. Recharge your plan within 24 hours after it expires. Recharge to higher or a same value plan. Do not go for lower value plan. Why Aldi mobile data not rolling over? If you do not recharge within 24 hours of your plan expiry, the unused data will not roll over. Data rollover is only available for specific plans. Access data beyond rollover limits will not roll over. Data will not roll over if you change to a lower value plan or a different type of plan. Example, from mobile to super pack from your current value. Fix 1. Verify plan eligibility. Ensure your current plan supports data rollover. Data rollover is only available for specific mobile plans, data plans, family plans, or super packs. Check Aldi Mobile's critical information summaries to confirm eligibility. To check data rollover option, go to Aldi Mobile plan page, expand, see plans to check the details. Fix 2. Recharge on time. Recharge within 24 hours of your plan expiry with a plan of the same or a higher value. Failure to recharge promptly will result in unused data being forfeited. Visit the My Aldi Mobile website, open Aldi Mobile app and log into your account. Once logged in, select the phone number you want to check. On the dashboard screen, you will see expiry date, track on it and recharge on time. Fix 3. Check plan changes. If you switch to a different type of plan, example from a mobile plan to a family plan or a super pack, unused data will not roll over. Fix 4. Data limits. You have unlimited data rollover for a family plan, mobile plan, and a super plan. If you are using data plan, ensure your unused data does not exceed the rollover limit of your plan. For example, $240 mobile plan provide 185 GB data and allows up to 50 GB rollover. If you have a 60 GB unused, only 50 GB will roll over and the remaining 10 GB will be forfeited. Access data beyond the limit will be forfeited. Fix 5. Contact Aldi Mobile Support. If all conditions are met and data still fails to roll over, contact Aldi Mobile Customer Support at 1300 or 2534 for assistance with account specific issues.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.